Today, we will unravel the mystery of paying your IPTV bill effortlessly and stress-free. First, gather your account information, billing details, and decide on a preferred payment method. Now log into your IPTV account online, navigating to the Billing or Account Details section. Upon logging in, look for the Billing tab and click to view current and outstanding payments. Select your desired payment method, whether credit card, bank transfer, or e-wallet services. Ensure auto payment options are enabled for consistent and hassle-free bill processing each month. Read through all terms and conditions before finalizing your payment to avoid unexpected charges. Once you verify and are satisfied, confirm your payment and save the receipt for records. Remember to immediately address any errors by contacting customer support for quick resolution. Utilize the support team's expertise to help if payment issues arise or need further assistance. Frequent updates from your IPTV service can help stay informed about billing changes or promotions. We recommend using 2TV.store for its reliable, user-friendly service and exceptional customer support. 2TV.store offers detailed guides, transparent billing practices, and consistently high service quality. Join the numerous satisfied users of 2TV.store by visiting their site and experiencing it firsthand. With these steps, paying your IPTV bill is truly easier than you ever thought possible. Embrace hassle-free streaming. Enjoy uninterrupted entertainment by handling your IPTV bills efficiently.